Hello guys, welcome back to of Things. But for today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Electrolux washing machine E21 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Electrolux washing machine here and you're getting the E21 error code, well, there are going to be a few things I could try. So let's go first discuss what causes the E21 error code here. So the first reason is due to a block drain hose. So lint or dirt buildup in the hose can prevent water from flowing out, causing the E21 error. Now, another thing that you need to know here is it may be caused by block filters as well. Now, same thing with a drain hose here. So dirt and debris can clog the filter, slowing down or stopping the drainage. And last, it may be caused due to a faulty drain pump here. So foreign objects or wear and tear can cause the pump to stop working here. So how do you exactly fix this issue? So in this case, for problems with the filter and the drain hose here, so this one is fairly easy. What you need to do is you just need to clean both the filter and the drain hose. Now for the filter, obviously what you need to do is you want to locate the filter at the back of the washer. And in this case, you want to place a tray or towel under it to catch water. Now, by the way, the position where the filter is going to be may be different depending on your model, maybe the front or the back. But in this case, you want to turn the filter counterclockwise to remove it and clean out any debris or dirt stuck inside. Now, wash the filter with clean water or running water and put the filter back in place and secure it properly. Now, for a drain hose here, you want to find the drain hose usually at the back here, and you want to go and detach the hose carefully and place a container underneath to catch any leftover water. Now, run water through the hose using a tap or garden hose to flush out debris and reattach the hose securely to the machine. Now, if you're not familiar how to remove this, make sure to basically refer to the manual first on how to exactly or safely remove the drain hose. Now, for pumps, a problem considering your pumps here, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you replace this. Now, if you're not sure how to do this, it's best to contact a technician or Electrolux support in order for you to get assistance on getting this replaced. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to end of the inspo. Thank you for watching.